Hi, my name is Brandon Faber. I'm doing my PowerPoint on the kinds of animals. There are five types of animals. First, there are birds. Second type is reptiles. Third type is mammals. Fourth type is fish. And the last type is insects. First of all, birds. Some unique characteristics about them are they have feathers. They have two legs. They have two wings and a beak, and these are all unique characteristics of a bird from every other type of animal. Here are some examples of birds. The top is a golden eagle. On the bottom right is a toucan, and the bottom left is a hummingbird. The second type of animal is a reptile. Reptiles have dry, scaly skin, and they either have four legs and sometimes they have none. They're cold-blooded, and instead of having normal ears, they have ear holes. Some examples of reptiles are the Komodo dragon on top, tree frog on the bottom left, and king cobra on the bottom right. Mammals is the third kind of animal that there is. They're unique because they have hair or fur. They usually have four legs, but sometimes they have less than that. They have mammary glands that make it so they can feed their babies with milk, which is unique from all the other animals. They give live birth to fully formed babies, which is also very unique. Some examples of mammals are the cheetah on the top right, dolphin on the bottom right, and then this lion on the bottom left. The fourth type of animal is a fish. Fish have scales and gills as their outer skin. They live underwater and have no eyelids and no ears. They just have inner sensors so that they can pick up things and vibrations from the inside. Some examples of fish are clownfish on the top right and anglerfish. The last type of animal is an insect. They have 6 legs, 3 body sections, either 2 or 4 wings, depending on the type of insect, and they have 1 pair of antennae. A bumblebee is an example of an insect, and also a black widow spider is actually in the arachnid category, but which is a category all its own, but it fits under the insect category for animals. Some similarities between animals are all animals can move, all eat food to survive, all need oxygen in some sort to survive, and all need water at some point in their lives to survive. There are many differences between animals. They have different body parts, different things covering their bodies. For example, reptiles have scales, birds have feathers, mammals have fur, and the list goes on and on. Some live underwater, some don't. Even some mammals live underwater, like dolphins and whales, but also fish. And the list goes on and on of the differences between animals. Here's a quiz on what we've learned today. What are the 5 types of animals? And I'll just give you guys some time to think about that. Okay, if you guys are ready, they are birds, reptiles, fish, mammals, and insects. Okay, next question. What type of animal is a platypus? A platypus is a mammal, but it still lays eggs, which is unique because, as we said earlier, most mammals give live births, so that was a little bit of a trick question, but you guys are smart, so I bet you got it. What lives underwater? Try and include the different animal types as they come to you. The answer is fish and some mammals. Some mammals like the dolphin and the whale live underwater. even though they are not considered fish. And here are my credits and sources for the different stuff I've shown you today. I hope you guys all enjoyed my PowerPoint.